Hi there and welcome to another unboxing and top features video. This time we have with us the Samsung Galaxy M12 smartphone. This is a brand new addition to Samsung's ever-growing lineup of M-series devices. Let's jump in and unbox the smartphone while also talking about some of its features. The first thing you see when you open the box is the phone itself. We shall put that aside for now. Underneath is a 15-watt charger for fast charging. There is also a USB Type-C cable. If we look underneath the top lid, we will find another small box that holds the SIM ejector tool. Inside we will find documentation like the regional lock guide, quick starter guide and the warranty card. Now that that's out of the way, here's a quick look at some of the phone's most notable features. Battery. Samsung's M series of smartphones are known for their massive batteries, and the new Galaxy M12 is no different. The smartphone packs a massive 6000 mAh battery and comes with a 15-watt fast charger to top it back up. Display. The Samsung Galaxy M12 packs a reasonably large 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity V display that features a small notch on top that houses the front-facing camera. However, the highlight of the display has to be the 90Hz refresh rate on offer. Camera. The phone packs a quad-rear camera set up with a 48-megapixel primary camera, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, 2-megapixel macro camera, and 2-megapixel depth sensor. On the front, there is an 8-megapixel selfie camera housed within the notch. Performance. At the heart of the Samsung Galaxy M12 is an Octa Core Exynos850 processor that features a Mali G52 GPU. This chipset is manufactured using the 8nm process and should offer better performance and efficiency as compared to those chips manufactured using larger processors. Memory. The Samsung Galaxy M12 offers 6GB RAM, which should be more than enough to run things smoothly. The smartphone also offers 128GB of built-in storage, which can be further expanded via a microSD card. That was a quick look at the new Samsung Galaxy M12 smartphone as well as the contents of the box. Thanks for watching.